I'm KK.
And I'm Cece.
Just in case you're new,
welcome,
subscribe.
Make sure you like,
comment,
subscribe, okay?
And hit the
bell button. Hit the bell button. Hit the bell button. Because that is how you get me and KK on your screens every single time there's an upload.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
So, as you guys read in the title, you're going to be cooking jollof rice with us.
Jollof rice.
Because I'm Nigerian.
And I am Nigerian.
By association.
Right.
Because of me.
Because we're best friends, but
yeah.
whatever.
But yeah, she's
kind
still
of
claiming.
Duh.
Yeah, so we're gonna make like one of the most popular Nigerian dishes.
Yes.
This is Nigerian jollof rice.
Mm-hmm.
It is not the other stuff.
Whatever
We
y'all
don't even gotta call it.
right.
We don't even gotta say his name. It's not that other stuff. But
Nigerian.
it's Nigerian jollof rice or jollof. Somebody said I wasn't saying it right. And it's not jollof because a lot of like Americans, I hear them say jollof.
Oh yeah, those little parties.
It's not jollof.
It's jollof. I came with the correct pronunciation for my people. Jollof.
Jollof. You gotta be mad when you say it.
Jollof.
Jollof rice.
Can you pass me those jollof?
Excuse me, do you guys have any more jollof rice?
One eternity.
Yeah, we're gonna be taking you guys on this, and y'all are gonna be cooking with us.
Yes.
So, what I learned was obviously from my mother, and she doesn't use any measurements or anything. So you guys will like get the general gist of the ingredients that you use and all that stuff, but like I just eye it.
Right.
Because
y'all,
she just
that's how like as you get older, they just know how to make stuff. Like that's how my grandma is in South Carolina. She just throws stuff in the pot. She don't know how to tell you, 4 tablespoons of this.
Exactly.
No.
Exactly. So
it looks good.
Yeah, so this is more like kind of like a little vlog, but like at the same time, if you want a general idea how to cook it, it's your place to be.
Yeah,
Okay,
so
right.
we can put in the description what ingredients that we use. Maybe not exact measurements.
Yeah,
but,
exactly.
Yeah, at least you have a grocery list.
Yeah, and just just eye it, just a little bit of this.
Yeah, we'll show you.
Yeah, so if you're interested in cooking with us,
of course they are.
Okay, since you're interested in cooking
yes, thank you.
Stay tuned and keep watching.
I'm the sous chef.
Oh yeah, this is the sous chef, so I'm gonna be doing, most of the dirty work. And she's just gonna be sitting there looking pretty.
Oh, I mean, that's what I'm here for.
That's what you do. Okay, so let's get started.
Oh, also we're gonna be dancing in the background.
Oh yeah, so it's most likely gonna be a voiceover.
Yeah.
Cause I'm not about to be in this hot kitchen without the AC and the fan running.
And some tunes on.
Yeah, so it'll be a voiceover. So if you see us dancing,
that's because something crazy's on right now.
Yeah, cheap key.
Cheap key. Future. Something ratchet. Something, hot boy.
Boosty. Did you say a hot boy?
Some hot boys.
Hot boys, you know what I mean? In the background. We might throw a little freestyling in there,
Or Kurt Franklin. We could listen to Kurt.
Oh, yeah.
I smile.
Cheap key.
Cheap key for Kurt Franklin.
We'll do both. Get you somebody who can do both.
Hey!
At the end of the day.
All right, let's get into it.
Hey y'all, what's up? Oh my gosh.
So,
we are doing both.
we have to tell y'all about this stew, okay?
Yes. So, yeah, I already have a stew that's already pre-made because my mom made it for me.
Shout out to Mom Dude.
Shout out to her. So if you guys really want a really detailed video of how to do this from scratch, like with the stew included, then I can definitely do that.
We're just gonna tell you guys the main ingredients, how to do it.
Yeah, this is just like real quick and dirty. So really, how you make it, is just like tomatoes, like 4 tomatoes per every onion. So if you're making a big pot, then you just double the portions or whatever. And red bell peppers, green bell peppers, yellow bell peppers, like whatever flavors you're into or whatever. Add those, like a lot of seasoning and pretty much like all the seasoning that you're gonna see in this video. Okay. Yeah. So you know, it's not hard. It's not hard. You just like chop everything up and blend it all. And then and you freeze it for later, or you cook it right away. So yeah, I'm going to show you the rest of the video.
Hey. Oh, okay.
Okay.
All right, what you doing?
So okay. I'm just chopping up some onions. Not a lot at all.
Oh my gosh.
We are just like dancing.
Thirsty.
Dancing. So in the pot with the oil.
You're
we're
welcome.
gonna saute the onions. Thank you, Susha.
You're welcome.
Turn it up again. And again. And again.
That's a cheeky.
Okay, so what we did was saute the onions. So like turn it up to medium high. Put the onions in there till they're like brown. Then you want to add your tomato sauce or your tomato paste.
This one's tomato sauce though.
Yep, this is tomato sauce. She is correct.
Up to you.
Man, and I like to add a lot, so I added 2 whole cans. But usually people add like maybe 1. But the more you add, the better it is. So yeah, now you just want to turn it down to like medium to
Okay. Stir that.
Stir that.
Whippy.
You just want to like stir it up. Just
Yeah.
stir it up. Make sure it's all mixed in.
Until it's bubbly.
Drink that bubbly.
Oh.
Okay, now I'm adding some bay leaves.
Look at that. There you go.
Oh my gosh, it's so good.
It's beautiful.
It looks like it smells good.
I know. We
Like,
smelled
I can
just
smell
like it. It was in my hair for like 4
Oh
days.
gosh. That's the bad thing about it. Like
Yeah.
you smell like meat.
Wear your bonnet the whole time, ladies.
No, for real. Okay, so now I'm adding all the seasoning that I told you about earlier.
The salt, the
Curry. Lots of curry. We
extra
like
curry. Okay. We're cultured. We like curry.
Oh, I was like, more curry. More.
Please. What else?
Okay.
Yeah.
Yep. You want it to
Cayenne.
be hot.
But you don't want to go crazy with the cayenne.
Yeah, because you're gonna add some like real hot peppers to the stew before you even like cook it. Like before you blend it.
You'll be burning your mouth loose.
Is this thyme?
Yeah, it's fresh
Yep.
thyme.
Yep, lots of thyme.
So
Lots of
good.
fresh thyme.
Oh yeah, I remember I
Not
told
the
you like
thyme.
I love thyme. Can we have some more?
Yeah, and I was like, okay, damn.
Okay, girl. Oh, you struggling?
Yeah, I was.
Oh,
Yikes.
oh! Look at my fingernail.
Oh gosh, the ghetto.
Yeah.
Why is your not the whole finger? Oh my goodness.
I was getting a little bit more
What's
lit.
happening?
The more and more we were doing this, my
Why
bad.
is that in there? We're leaving it in there too, just because.
That's so embarrassing. Disregard the finger, y'all.
Oh my goodness. The ratchet.
The ghetto.
The ghetto. Okay, yeah. So she.
There we
time.
go.
That was a lot of time.
You didn't disappoint.
Yeah. So this is when you like want to add all your seasonings, your tomato paste, onions.
Yeah. The clover.
You guys can read.
Oh.
Ooh.
Did
I did
call-
not mean to put that much. Yikes.
Isn't it called cloves?
I think isn't it close?
I called it clover.
Yeah, you did say close.
That's
It's not
embarrassing.
that.
Oh my gosh.
It's not that. Accent. You don't want to add too much because this is like kind of salty. So.
A salt
But
base.
it is a must. Like you have to have this.
Don't skip the accent now.
And now you just want to
Stir it up. Put a little action in your wrist, honey. Did we just make a little song? Stir it up.
No, I don't know. You did that, not me.
You were singing before me.
Now we want to add the already blended stew. This was in the freezer. I thought it out. It's already blended.
Okay.
This was probably like 8 tomatoes and like 2 onions, and then all the rest of the peppers and all the goods.
That looks so good. Banging. Yeah, make sure you scrape that pan because you don't want to be wasting no good tomatoes.
Yeah, tomatoes. No, this is like thick stuff. So
Yeah.
like, it sticks to the bowl, and you want to get everything out.
Y'all, the aroma when that stew hits the tomato paste. Oh
Too good.
my gosh. That's just
Too good.
Yes.
Okay, so now you want to rinse the rice. I was like, dang, why didn't I do this while it was cooking? I did this kind of late, but it's okay. So you just want to rinse all the starch out of the rice.
Yeah, you see how it's a little like cloudy right there?
Mm-hmm.
We don't want that.
Yep.
We need clear water.
I think, I feel like I got lazy.
No, you did it a lot. I just didn't put it all in there.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Good to know. So now you just want to add your rice. And right now, I believe it's on like medium heat, by the way. So you just want to add the rice and turn it down from medium to low. Now, this is the secret. You want to add some foil before you cover it because the idea is we want to steam the rice. Okay, we're back to the rice.
That was so fun.
Back to the rice. So here it's probably been like 30 minutes of steaming. And I'm like slowly mixing it because you don't want to like mash the rice up, but you still want to distribute the stew. And here are the final results.
Here we go. Yes. So good.
It's so
We're about
good.
to taste it, y'all.
Okay, guys, so you saw the finished product, and we are about to taste and see how it tastes.
So excited. Y'all, I love jollof rice. Jollof rice.
Oh my.
Yo! It's like spicy, but like
Wow.
rich.
That's good.
It's perfect.
You gonna eat this?
Girl!
It's late, otherwise I would make myself a whole bowl.
Mm.
Oh my goodness, and the onions in there too.
Yeah, it's nice. You can taste the the onions probably sizzling in there. You can taste every piece.
That is good.
I recommend
That is good.
y'all make this at home.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. And make sure people don't usually add that much tomato paste, but the more tomato paste you add, the redder it's gonna get. To me, the redder it is, the richer the flavor is. So I always like my jollof rice like extra red like this. This is good.
It's perfect.
This is literally perfect.
All
You
right.
did the dang thing.
We need to like close this out so we can finish this. We're about to just sit here and y'all about to watch us eat.
Man,
So to close this thing out,
that's good.
make sure y'all make it. Let us know how it goes when y'all make it, following our little instructions, kind of. Yeah. But anyway, if you like this video, please leave a like because we deserve it.
Yeah. I wish I could like share with everyone watching what it tastes like because this is so good. Like the spiciness, the amount of spice in here is so good. All the spices we put in there, it was like the perfect amount of taste of peppers. The pepper is just like, yes.
Oh my god, I can't stop. I'm crying, KK.
It's so good. Okay, well, anyway, so we can get back to our food.
Yeah.
Don't forget, y'all, to like, comment, and
Subscribe and always hit the bell button. Period. Okay.
Thank you for tuning in.
Thank you guys for watching.
See you next
See you next video. Bye.